In front of me is CYRUS CS40, and let me show you how to personalize text-to-speech feature on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select languages and input, and here you have to scroll a bit lower where you will find text-to-speech. Click here, and now you can smoothly personalize it, so you can change speech rate and also pitch just by using this scale, and also the same way in pitch. And if you would like to change the current setup, just click on Listen to an example.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
Now we can speed it up a bit and change the pitch as well, so this will definitely sound different. Okay, so let it slow down a bit again.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
And now let me change the pitch as well.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
So this is how you can change it. I will leave it this way. Let's listen to it.
This is an example of speech synthesis in English.
For me, it's the best sound. And that's it. This is how you can change the speech rate and also pitch in your text-to-speech output. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.